Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today is April the 21st at 11 o'clock a.m. and it is the official kickoff of the color Vortex for Legit Kit. So what you're going to need to do is head on over there at the wrap of this video and type in legitbomb.com. That's where this is going to launch, and my code is Ying in all capital letters, Y-I-N-G. You'll also see that at the ending of this. So what you're going to get is a colorful quilt over the duration of 12 months. The first 8 months, you're going to get 4 blocks a month, and then for months 9 through 12, you're going to get 2 blocks per week. That's going to roll out. You'll get it all in one. Your month 9, you'll have a total of 8 blocks, and so on through the duration. Throughout the process, you're going to see directions that's going to lead you through every step of the way. But this is the way as a sample of what month 11 is going to be. But all the months are pretty much the same. You're going to get, with your kit, all of these colors. You're going to get a fabric guide, and what I highly recommend when you get your kit is break it open and break it down. It's going to make this process so much easier along the way. So with all of that being said, let me tell you what you need to do. You're going to do an inventory to make sure that you've got all of the fabrics that's on your fabric guide. Then you're going to look at your fabric quilt. It's going to give you a finished guide and a pattern guide. That's your mirrored image. It's going to show you what you're working on versus what it's going to be when you join those 4 blocks or 8 blocks together. Then you're going to get your color guide that's going to have little tabs that's going to match your colors. Every step of the way has been thought out and laid out for you. You're also going to get your pattern pieces, and each month it's different. Some months you won't have little, I'm not even going to say little pieces, anything to add on, and some months you are. So just follow the directions in the guide. If you need any assistance along the way, I'm doing breakdown videos for month 1 through 6 that's going to walk you through each and every step for each and every block. They're going to roll out once a week on Monday mornings at 8 a.m. and they'll be up there for when you need them. So let me slide to the next. All of the fabric that you're going to get is going to come clearly labeled. Everything that Legit Kit does has a key code. Like MN is going to be their midnight fabric. IM is going to be their crimson. PK is their paprika. And on the pattern, you're going to be able to see those codes in the bold. They're all in capital and they're bold on the left little sticker that goes on your fabric. If you pull that sticker off, stick it on your hand while you're cutting that piece out and then put it right back. And it's going to help you keep everything clearly labeled so you don't have any issues. This is how phenomenal this quilt's going to look when it's all said and done. You can see it looks like a vortex. I mean, they have done phenomenal. This is going to be your guide. This is going to be your finished quilt. And the guide's going to run left to right. Your first month is going to come in A and B, 1 and 2. So you're going to get those blocks as an example. And you can see you'll be working on, like, week 1 would be A1. Week 2 would be A2. Week 3 would be B1. Week 4 would be your B2. So once you get all those finished, feel free to go ahead and join them up. You're going to see where there's little lines. You're going to pin at the top, pin at the bottom, and make sure that those intersections where those colors need to line up, you're going to be able to line them up with ease. And then I would take your cover page. Once you do that, take your cover page and pin to it. So when this is all worked out along the way, you're going to be able to go right back as you're laying this quilt out and say month 1 goes here, month 2 goes here, and you're going to be able to piece it together really quick and simple. So the way this is going to roll out, they're going to have 3 different it's one rollout with 3 different options. Your first option is you can buy the kit as well as the digital version. The kit is going to come to those who want the physical kit as well as the digital backup. So say you want to do this kit again on your own with a separate set of fabrics, you're going to have that option. So this is going to come to you at $42.99 a month. You can't go wrong with that. And the option is only available for customers in the US for this. So the next option would be your full kit. That's going to roll out at $39.99 a month. That's going to come with your full kit. That's your pattern, your fabric, the guides. That's going to tell you every step of the way what you need to do. Each month you'll be billed and shipped a block with the pattern and the fabric. So you can't go wrong. It's perfect. Then you're also, for those that are out of the country, you can pay the shipping for option number 2 and have it shipped to you, or you can take option number 3, which would be just your digital pattern only. That's going to roll out at $4.99 a month. You're going to be billed for that, and it's going to be no fabric included. You're just going to have all of the information. There will also be a color guide that's going to be made available in that mailing that's going to save you a trip out. You can go to your fabric store and match it up, or you can pull from your stash and work this pattern along that way. So there's many options for you to follow along the way. So there's going to be a couple questions, and I'd like to go ahead and hit those right now. Will this roll out internationally? Yes, it will, but the buyer is going to have to pay that additional shipping. The $39.99, that's a fabulous price. Does that include shipping? Is going to be one of the other questions. So this rollout is going to run from April the 21st through May the 21st. It's going to close at midnight on the 21st of May. You get this one-shot wonder. And it's going to be amazing. This is their first rollout of doing a box of the month. So I'm honored and privileged to be a part of this core group that's helping roll this out. So if you're interested in supporting Legit Kits and dipping your toe in the water to see if Legit Kits is for you, this is the perfect opportunity to see what they've got to offer. You don't have to go out and buy that big kit all at once. It's broke down over the duration of 12 months. You can't go wrong. So if you're interested in buying, go to legitbom.com. Pick which option you want, 1, 2, or 3. At checkout, you're going to see a place for a coupon code. In the checkout, put Ying, Y-I-N-G. That gives me a little something, and it shows Legit Kit that you learned about this from my channel. That way, it's easier for them to track as well as us. We greatly appreciate all of your love and support. I will be sewing this all through 1 through 12, and we're going to do a wrap up at the end where you're going to be able to see the quilting of mine as well and the binding. So it's just fun, and it's an honor and a privilege to be asked by Mike to hop on the team of Legit Kits. And I tell you what, his core group is amazing. They answer all of your questions. If at any time along the way you have questions that I can't answer, feel free. There is a number there that you're going to be able to contact them or email them and get all of your questions answered directly. So I hope that you join in. Remember, it opens today at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern, and it's going to close at midnight on May the 21st. So I hope that you join in and you sew along with me. It's going to be a blast. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you at the kickoff.